Why should you consider having an inspection done in preparation of selling your home? In our area, it's actually customary for buyers to pay for an inspection as part of their offer to purchase, but would it be advantageous for a seller to do an inspection prior to going live on the market? It can actually end up saving you a lot of time and money. Hi, I'm Kelly DeMail, owner and associate broker of DeMail Real Estate at eXp Realty. As a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and you don't want any unexpected costs to come up that you weren't planning on. Imagine you found out that the home you're selling needed a new roof or air conditioning unit. You have a few options. You could either sell the home as is and disclose the issues. You don't have to sell it all. Or you could take what needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting an inspection done prior is to help bulletproof your sale so that there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later and potentially lead to a buyer backing out of the sale. We want the seller to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of their home. The inspections we recommend are standard customary inspections that a buyer would do. We actually recommend a full home inspection and possibly even a radon test. These inspections and tests aren't mandatory, but certainly helpful to make sure that all health and safety items are fixed, as they're really common requests that most buyers are going to have. By making the needed repairs before listing your home, it actually gives you peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for unreasonable or outlandish repairs, giving you assurance that you're actually going to net what you thought you were when you go to closing. It also could result in offers without an inspection contingency built in, getting you to the closing table sooner. The buyer is also more confident that they're buying a sound home that is in move-in ready condition. Also, if the buyer is financing the home, some loan programs require health and safety work to be completed anyway prior to closing, so you'll already be ahead of the game. To wrap it up, pre-inspections give you, the seller, buyer, and lender more confidence throughout the entire transaction that the home will actually get to closing successfully. And it helps keep everyone safe during and after the sale. I'm Kelly DeMail with DeMail Real Estate. We love where we live, and we want you to love where you live.